So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a responsive button in Figma, just like this. Let's get to the video. Now let's write our button text. Get started is our text for the button. You right click, then we see where they wrote auto layout. You click on auto layout. So a frame has been added to the text. Then let's add a fill. Let's make it black. Then let's increase the padding for more breathing space. Let's make this 13 and let's increase this to 15. So this is nice. Then we'll add corner radius of 10. As you can see, the corners are now looking a bit curved. Okay, this is it. So let's make this responsive now. Select the frame and come here. Crease components. Click on crease components. Then you add the variance. So this variance now will be the hover state. Let's change it to hover state. So this will be the hover state. Now let's change the appearance of the hover state. So when you hover on the default button, the state will change. So let's add a stroke and let's make it white. Let's increase the weight to 2. Okay, then let's add a shadow to it to make it more obvious. We click on effects here, then drop shadow, we change this to 4, then change the blur to 10, and this is it. So let's combine both elements using prototype. Click here, then the trigger will be on while hovering. Then the action will change to hover state. When you hover on this default button, it will change to hover state. You understand? Then let's make it smart animate. Duration will be 300 milliseconds. Let's see what we got. So create a frame now. Then come to assets here. Then this is our button here, our components. When you create a component, you can find them in your assets. This is the responsive, this is the library, so this is the file, so this is the button in the file. You drag it and drop it in our frame. So let's see how this looks. Present. Okay. As you can see, it's responsive. You can try different types. Anyone you're comfortable with, you can use. Let's try another one. So let's make this book now. Okay, let's apply auto layout to it. Right click and see the root, add auto layout. So click on auto layouts. Then the frame has been added. We can increase this to, let's say 20. Increase this to 20 as well. Okay, then let's add a fill. This time around, let's make the fill, let's say red. Okay, this red is looking, let's make it this red. Yeah, this is nice. Then we can add a corner radius too. It's a choice. Let's add 10. Yeah, so the corners has been, it's curved now. And like we did before, we'll come here, we'll click on crease components, then add variance. So rename this variant to as a hover state. Now let's change it, because when you hover on it, it will change its state. Let's make it darker, right? Okay, this is better. Let's make it darker. Then, like we did before as well, we'll come to our prototype, connect the viewport frame to the hover state. While hovering, change to hover state, smart animate, 200 milliseconds. So let's see what we got. We'll come here and add it to our frame, and let's preview. So when you click it, it darkens. So this is basically how you can make a responsive button in Figma. You can try different kinds. You can explore websites and see how their hover states are. I can try them out and you see it actually works. So okay, can I even try this out? Can try this out. You understand? Okay, let's do this. But this is a hover state now, I'm hovering on it. If your man is hovering on it, it changes its states. So let's try recreating it. So let's click our text. Our text. Write the text untitled. Sorry. Yes. Then right click and add auto layouts. Let's give it 30. Let's add a fill. This fill. Then let's add a stroke so you can see the button. Let's make it white. Sorry. And let's say 30% opacity. Now this is it. Let's add this X. Now let's add floors. Sorry. A plus sign. You have to reduce the opacity so it can't be visible. It can only be visible when we hover on the button. So we'll come here, change opacity to 0, enter. So it's not visible now. Now we'll click on create components, add variants, hover state. Sorry, hover state. Then this time around we'll make this visible 100. Then let's increase the button so the request can be obvious. Now this is it. So we'll go to our prototype to connect the both buttons. See the same way, while hovering, change to hover state, smart animate, 200 milliseconds. So this is it. Now let's see what we got. Write it and okay. Now let's see. You can see is looking kind of similar. So this is basically how you can create a responsive button in Figma. See you in my next video.